With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, our question is the mean and standard deviation of 20 items is found to be 10 and 2 respectively. At the time of checking, it was found that the one item 8 was incorrect. If it is replaced by 12, then find the mean and variance. Okay, now firstly we will start that the mean of 20 item is given to us 10. Mean of 20 item is 10. Now summation of I is equals to 1 to 20, xi upon 20 is given to us 10. So we will get the value of I is equals to 1 to 20, xi is equals to 200. Now the observation 8 was incorrect. Observation 8 was incorrect and replaced by 12 and replaced by 12. So we are able to write it like that: 200 minus 8 plus 12. We will get 204. So our new mean is equals to 204 upon 20. When we solve this, we will get 10.2. This is our new mean. Okay. Now standard deviation is also given to us is 2. Here it is given standard deviation is 2. So standard deviation represented by sigma is equals to 2. So variance is equals to sigma square is equals to 4. Now we will find the form. We know the formula of variance is equals to summation of I is equals to 1 to summation of xi square upon 20 minus, here we will write the mean, xi upon 20 whole square. This is a mean. So what is our old mean is 200. Old mean is given to us 100. So we will write over there is summation xi square upon 20. This is equals to 4 minus tan square is equals to 4. When we solve this, we will get summation xi square upon 20 minus 100 is equals to 4. On further solving this, we will get summation xi square upon 20 is equals to 104. On solving this, we will get summation of xi square is equals to, when 104 multiplied by 20, we will get 2080. So value of summation xi square is equals to 280. But observation 8 was incorrect and replaced by 12. So our new variance is 2080 minus 64 plus 144. When we solve this, we will get 2160. This is our new variance. Okay, this is value of the new variance. So this is a value of new variance, not this is a new value of summation of xi square. So new variance is equals to we will put the same formula, that summation of xi square upon 20 minus summation of xi upon 20 whole square. So this is given to us new mean is 10.2. So when we will put the value 2160 upon 20 minus 10.2 whole square. When we solve this, we will get 108 minus 104.9 0.04. On solving this, we will get 3.96. So this is in equals to sigma square is equals to variance. Our new variance is 3.96 and new mean is 10.2. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.